Pinky. All the kittens are sleeping. Except Betty. All but Betty. I can't believe this cat. Oh my god.
He looks like he's dead. I remember when I was little and one of my cats died, it looked like that.
Oh, that's so sad.
I know, I don't like looking at him like that. Get your mouth shut.
Hi, Rube. He's alive. Just let him go sleep.
Sleep normally. You're scaring the shit out of me.
He's so sleepy. Well.
I'm going to need this. Okay. But I'm going to need some privacy. Okay. Why? Well, the world wants to know. Chris, are you ready to give it another shot?
Berkey. Oh. Good night.